Hello, my friend. When choosing PCBA factories, many customers are confused because they are not very professional. It is unreasonable to judge the capacity of this factory by their size. So how do we choose PCBA factory? For this topic, we listed the aspects to be examined in selecting PCBA factory. First, to check the quality management system certificate should have ISO 9001 and ISO 13485. These two certificates. The second, provide the original factory and the core agents of the procurement contract samples to ensure that all raw materials are from the official channels of authentic products to avoid second-hand materials and defective materials mixed into production. The third, check the IQC incoming inspection, check IQC incoming records, whether can live through the color and the label to distinguish good and bad products. The purpose is to avoid bulk composition error, dilution, deformation, or unqualified materials attached to the PCBA. Cannot detect and cover in the testing stage. Bring the production potential handle trouble. Influence the stability, short service life. The fourth, look at the raw materials store environment. Must have a professional electronic materials warehouse. Consistent temperature 22 to 28 degree. Humidity 40 to 17. Consistent components must be stored in a damp-proof cabinet. Disassembling and decouplings must be kept in a detailed ledger. The fixed electrostatic protection. All electronic component stacks and PCBA products racks must use independent static wire connection. Info is must wear low electronic ring and electronic iron. Must have daily electronic support inspection records. Finally, looking at engineering skills, PCBA factories must have ability to analyze and throw the defective PCBA boards to ensure the root reasons can be found. Rapid delivery and release the energy of customer energies rather than leaving all problems to customer engineers. Of course, we are not limited to these points for selecting PCBA factory. So follow us for more information about PCB.